Welcome back to CAD 112, and we're going to get into Project 8, Intersections of Cylinders. And what this is we're looking at if you had some pipes and you were going to intersect them together, what would it look like? Okay, and we're going to do this one first here. And we're going to do it in this one's going to be done in Inventor. It's going to be a 6-inch pipe with a T. It's going to be a T with another 6-inch pipe. What would that look like? And this is how we're going to do it. Go to Standard IPT, and what I want to do is just start a new sketch, and I'll grab it there, circle, let's go 6-inch diameter, and we'll finish the sketch, and we'll extrude this thing out, let's say 15 inches, okay? Perfect. Now, I want to take and I'll show you a trick here. Let's go right here with this, and right click, and I can turn on my visibility to see that plane. I want this plane to come out 15 inches, let's say. So it's midpoint of this in here, so that this is 6, so it'd be 3 inches to there, and then 15, so it'd be 18 inches it needs to offset. So I come up here to hit plane, offset from plane, hit that, and let's do 18. Click on that, right click, new sketch. Turn that around, and I want to take now and put myself in a circle in here. I can project geometry, so right now if you look at it, I don't have anything on this. I have nothing to measure off of, but if you hit project geometry, and I'll turn it just a little bit, what you're doing when you project it, you're projecting this thing onto this. Do you all see that? And if I click that, see how it puts that on there? It projects the geometry onto the plane so you can use your dimensions to get them accurate. So I'm going to hit circle on this. This right here catches, tells me where my 0 is, and I'll put 6. And finish sketch, and I want to extrude. Extrude that. Distance, and then do 2. Click on that. Okay, good. So if this thing is a tube, we could shell it. We could use a shell command. There is a shell command right here. Shell. All you have to do is just click the faces that you want. Remove faces. And remove faces there, and tell it the thickness 0.1. That'd be okay. And when I hit OK, you can see now I've got everything was worked out perfect inside of it. It's the best way to do that. But one thing I wanted you to see is when you connect cylinders that are the same size, like in a T, they make a V pattern. Y'all see that? Which is really cool. So you can look at the top view, see it come together, and this is when they're the same size, they come all the way to the quadrants, all the way to the main top, north and the south side of it. There's the front, then we turn to the right side view, it looks just like that. And I'll hide this visibility of these planes so it makes it a little bit clearer so you can see. But that's what it would look like, folks. Now I want to do another one. I just hit new, and I want to make it a 6-inch diameter with a 4-inch pipe that intersects it at 90 degrees. So it's the same song and dance. Come in here, hit this, and I'll put 6 inches on there. Finish it. Extrude 15. It's fine. I'll get that plane on there again. Right click, make it visible, and I'm going to once again hit offset from plane. Click that, and we'll do 18 inches. Click a new sketch on that plane. Okay, I'll just turn it over so it's easier to see like we did the last one. Project my geometry. I want to be able to line this sucker up. And on this one, I'll come to the center. It catches center. It's going to be 4-inch diameter. And finish the sketch out. Extrude it. Distance 2. Click your cylinder. Okay. And now if I want to shell this thing, I can. I come up here to shell command. Click the face. Click the face. And then click the face down here. 0.1's fine. Okay. And there's how that would turn out. So I want you to take a look at it now. See how this one is different size diameters? You'll see a curve to it. There's a curvature to it as opposed to a V type of pattern like the same diameters would have. So I really wanted you to see that, and of course I want you to put both these drawings on paper, scale it to whatever looks good, and I just want you to be able to understand how that operates. Now if you want to figure out how you plot these curves, I have a AutoCAD video that shows you how that you actually go in and you plot those curves to get this curve where they intersect at, which is really neat. And I recommend that you take a look at that. But this is how you would do it in Inventor. And if you have any questions, please let me know.